Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when mic is not working in Fortnite on PC. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first of all, you want to open up your Fortnite and go to your profile icon and go to settings. On settings, you want to click on audio icon at the top and you want to make sure that your voice chat is enabled. So you want to scroll down until you will see voice chat, and as you can see, here it is. Now if you cannot find your voice chat right here, you want to click at right there at the top where it says communication, and here you will see voice chat. So on voice chat, you want to go ahead and make sure that it's not turned off. You want to choose either friends only, friends and teammates, or everybody. Then you want to go ahead and choose voice chat method, push to talk, or open mic. If it's on mute, then that's why it's not working. Now voice chat input device, you want to make sure to choose not a default, but you want to choose your microphone. On output device, again, you want to choose your speakers, and that's pretty much it on this end. Then you're gonna click apply and go back. You can now just close Fortnite if you've done these settings. Now you want to go to your control panel, open it up. Once you are here, you want to make sure that it's set on large icons, and then you want to find sound. Here it is. Once you will find sound, you will see here that your speakers are right there. It's like a default device. Now on recording, you want to make sure that your microphone is working, and you also want to go ahead and disable other devices. So if you are using just this one, you want to go ahead and disable another microphone. The same goes here. After you've done that, you're just gonna click OK. Now, while you are still here, you want to go to your microphone and click on Properties. Properties, you want to go to Levels and make sure that the levels are set correctly. And on Advanced, you want to make sure that these two, exclusive mode, are checked. So allow applications to take exclusive control of this device, and just want to make sure that this is checked mark, then click apply and OK. Now you want to open up your volume mixer, sound mixer options. And right there, you want to, of course, choose your output device and input device. So just make sure to check these two, and also check that the volume is still there. Now you want to just relaunch your Fortnite game, and once you will relaunch it, your problem should be fixed. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.